Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Livelihood Business Incubator Training and Incubation Center balapet bat kmi da ka Basin Development Unit Nongstoin haga khat saudari ujli arjar khat khandai kala Paidbah ya ka Syntu Sanitary pads haga baga AVD Shira ka balong ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills kala long ka Kongsan Hagjing Paidbah ya ka Syntu Sanitary pads balapanlong haga hall jong ka Cooperative Society Hanong Den Nongstoin laidon lang UJC Paul ARCS uba R Karsanti District Mission Manager ka NRLM DMMU u Dr. W Sutngau Junior Specialist ka kong Shaidalin Marbanyang kapadai ka nong seng kamlajong bat kapadai ru kabala shina ya ka Syntu Sanitary pads ki khna school bat ki long kme ka thain ka AVD Shira haba kren kum ka kongsan kala ai khublai kerpang ya ka kong S Marbanyang halor ka jingshulur jong ka ban seng ya ka kamlajong bat ban shina bat penmi hi ya ki tegi pads ki basngain na ka benta ki kentei bat ki long kme bat khamtam e kan deiru ka ban Nyngkong tam e hapo ka Jylla ban penmi ya kum ki tegi mar.
Once a girl starts menstruation, the Indian society considers the girls, they are just starting the cycle. But imagine the women folk, not only the girls, they are prevented from entering the kitchen as well. They consider them unholy during those days. Just imagine, this is one of the taboo I'm speaking about. And looking back, I was just thinking when we were students like you. Those were the days when we never had this kind of privileges. Forget about sanitary pads. Okay? What we had is, I'm speaking frankly, because everyone has undergone it. It is a part of our growing up stages, so I'm not exempt of speaking it out because I myself am now a mother and a grandmother. My granddaughter is also now in class 7. She has just started this cycle last year in the month of October. So young, only 10 years old. She does not even know. When her mother came to me, because she also married very young, my daughter, so she revealed to me that her daughter is now also starting this cycle. So I advised, the way I had already instructed her, now to pass on that knowledge to her own daughter. And then the younger brother started asking why his sister is behaving in a very strange way. Don't hesitate, because it is part and parcel of our life. You know, we really feel awkward. We really feel awkward when we say something about menstruation. But I'm really glad my mother, in fact, we grew up in a very understanding, what can I say, informative. And I would really thank my Nyngkong Sidalin for coming up with the sanitary napkins. Now, what I feel is not only the girl students, boys also should happen here. Because side by side, it is a learning process. This menstruation is nothing but a part of growing up. And they do have the right to know what's happening to our bodies. Not only the married men, I don't know whether the doctor himself has married or not, but then not only the married men, but the boys, right from the young age, they should also understand what is happening to the cycle, what is happening to his sister, to his niece.